Welcome to our ReportCaster video on using the Java heap dump feature. This feature enables you to generate a Java heap dump file directly from the ReportCaster console, which can be an easier option than using the command line to generate a heap dump file. Having a simple way to create a Java heap dump file can help streamline the troubleshooting process for certain types of software issues. To access the heap dump option, navigate to the ReportCaster console. On the ribbon, in the Show group, select the Server Performance tab to display the Java heap dump option. You have the option to create a new heap dump or to delete all previous heap dumps. When you create a heap dump file, a log file is created, which shows that the heap dump file has been saved to your WebFocus software directory. To learn more, visit the WebFocus knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.